In this video, you will learn how to upload a service receipt or invoice to your Fleetio Go app. Open your Fleetio Go app on your phone or tablet. When the app is open, it should bring you to your list of recent vehicles. For this video, we will use truck 120 as an example. If you don't see your vehicle listed, hit the View All button to expand the vehicles list and select the vehicle you would like to update. Once you have selected your vehicle, it will bring up the vehicle's profile and all the information pertaining to that vehicle. At the bottom of the screen, hit the green plus to bring up the quick add menu. For this example, we will select service entry. Now we are ready to insert information on our service invoice into Fleetio. First, we will need to insert the mileage on the vehicle at the time of service. Notice the red dot next to the odometer. This means that the information must be completed in order to save this entry. Next, we will select a vendor in the vendor menu. In the search bar, type in the name of the vendor that serviced the vehicle. If the vendor does not populate, hit the Add button under the search bar to add a new vendor to the vendor list. But here we have already added this vendor to our list, so we will select this vendor. Now that we have added the new vendor, we will need to add the vendor details, phone number, address, and any other information that can be taken from the service receipt or invoice, the reference number or invoice number. Next, we will hit the Add Service Task button. This will bring up the service task selection menu. You can scroll down the menu to see what options you have, or in this case, I can type in tire to see all the options that involve tires. Select tire replacement and hit done. Now we are back to the main page and we can add the labor, parts, and tasks and subtotals, if applicable. Next to discount and tax. Be sure to change these options accordingly, as forgetting to do so will throw off your final invoice amount. Now we will hit that line item details. The subtotal in our example is $230. In the notes section, you put any comments or notes the technician may have left on the invoice. Hit save and we are back to the main page. Add the tax if applicable. Once that is done, confirm that your total amount matches your invoice total. If you scroll down and select Add Documents under the Attachment section, it will prompt you to choose a file or take a photo. For our example, we will take a photo. This will bring up the camera on your phone or tablet. If you are happy with the photo, hit the blue check mark to confirm the photo. Scroll to the top of the page and hit the Save button to record the entry. Now, you shall find yourself on the vehicle profile page. Under the menu tab, you will find the new service history entry. When you hit the service history, you will find the service we just entered at the top of the list. You can hit the entry to open it and review the contents of this entry. And now you know how to upload a service receipt to Fleetio Go.